What's up, guys? I have a bunch of questions for you. Number one, welcome back to the Flying Chicken. I can't fly. I can kind of fly for like 0.00001 second. Anyways, today we're gonna do a video about Alexa and Google, which are like resting over there. And by the way, I want to twerk at you, otherwise this bunny will get you. Anyway, this bunny will get you. Anyways, I want to twerk at you. Thank you. So technically, if you like looked at the title, it says unboxing the Google and Alexa. Technically, I'm not unboxing it, but I have I have these two, and I'm gonna tell all the features. So we're gonna go to round one, round two, round three, and round four.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Oh, shut up. Round one, round two, round three, and somehow if both of these win, we'll have a tie round or something. Depends. So first we're gonna see its features, like ding 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 ding. First, let's go over the features. I love sparkly stuff. Okay, number one, see here. Let's see the features. Number one, you can say this, and you can ask it anything you want. Hey, give me
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
play Jingle Bell.
Play your favorite hits from Frank Sinatra instantly with Amazon Music Unlimited.
Amazon Music Unlimited on this Echo.
Suck it.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Please say yes if you would like to sign up.
No.
Okay, I can play similar music instead for free. Here's a mix based on Jingle Bells, 1999, remastered by Frank Sinatra, on Amazon Music.
Hey, Alexa. What? Stop. Okay, clearly there's some cons over here. Its feature right away is nice. I asked it for a song, and it wouldn't give me unless I have a subscription, which cost $8. While over here, I have YouTube Music, which I linked here. I could buy premium for like all those albums over there, but you don't need albums. Number one, you can create one of your own, okay? Number two, albums like you can save your own, and yeah. So Google, you just link it to your YouTube Music account, and YouTube Music account really is not expensive. Link it to here, play any music you want. Isn't that awesome? Hey Google, play Scatman.
Scatman, Ski Ba Bop Ba Dop Bop by Scatman John Shore. Playing on YouTube Music.
It takes a while, cause this is like a very old.
I'm a Scatman.
Hey Google. Hey Google, stop. So you can play any song like in Scatman, which is like a very sus song. Um, so clearly this Google over here wins this. And plus, I forgot to mention this, but over here, blocked. You cannot. Hey Alexa, he will not listen to you. Blocked. Here, increasing volume. Although I have to say that the display over here is very cool, and this guy doesn't have a display, but it has some features like increasing volume and decreasing volume, like I think everything else. It also has a silent mode over here. Hey Google, stop. It also has silent
The
mode.
mic's off.
The mic's off, so the mic cannot hear us, and it becomes orange, so you know. Hey Google.
The mic's back on.
Hey Google, stop. And plus, you have a play and resume button, which is like really nice stuff. And I can ask him questions. So for the base part, like music or what it can do, Google wins. Okay, I think Google should win if I'm completely being honest. And it's 1-0. What can Alexa do next? Hey Google, tell me your features.
I can do many things and I'm learning more. You can ask me to do things like play music, check the news, or make a call. I've sent a link with more info to your inbox in the Google Home app favorites tab.
Okay, and I can call this guy over here and say, hey Google, hey Google, call my friend.
Sure, to help you with that, I need your permission to allow Assistant personal results on this device. You can turn on personal results in settings in the Google Home app.
I'll do that later, but you can call him. Honestly, I've never used that for Google, but you could call him. And here, hey Google, can you order me a pizza?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Well, definitely this guy can't offer pizza. It can tell you the breaking news. It can tell you some podcasts and all that stuff. Okay, let's see what this guy can do. Hey Alexa, tell me your features.
For help with that question, go to the Help and Feedback section of the Alexa app.
Hey Google, what can you do?
Try one of these. You can say, play relaxing music, or
Oh
how
God, I
cold is
got
it
mixed up.
outside?
Hey Google, stop. Okay, let me shut you up.
The mic's off.
This is the hard way. Okay, anyways, this over here, Google, um, this can also tell you the weather. I think this guy can also, one of his features that you can order stuff from Amazon, which if you're linked, I'll give you free coupons and savings and all that. It also tells you when your parcel arrived. Like, it'll be light is purple here, and I'm like, what's my new notification? And it'll say you have one new Xbox, and I'm going running there, and I'm gonna go get that Xbox. It
By the
also
way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of.
by the way, this guy can also play mini games, which is like a very fun thing I can do. Hey Alexa, play mini games.
Games.
So here you can play a
Like
bunch of.
this. Fart game. Put your flatulent matching skills to the test.
You can
Would
play.
you like to play?
You can play really different things.
Here's a game you can try. Fart game.
Hey Alexa,
Put your flat.
stop.
Thanks for playing.
Hey there, if you love head scratching math, word, and logic games, try saying enable puzzle games.
It also gives
Thank you for using mini games. How many stars would you rate this skill, from 1 to 5?
5.
Got it. Your rating will help Alexa recommend skills to other customers.
Okay. This guy can also have passion, like he talks in passion way. Well, this guy's kind of like a. Oh, sorry. Well, this guy is kind of like blah 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 blah. So round 2 is a really tough one, but this guy wins, even though he's really annoying. I have to say, Alexa's from Amazon and Google's from Google. Awesome, right? Okay, round 3. I'm kind of waiting for this one. Best overall. Like, all its features, ordering stuff, ordering pizza, knocked in, breaking news, cold weather, your personal assistants. This thing can be linked to your Google Pixel Pro 9 if you have any Google phones, if you have any Google let's say Pixel tablet or tablet, or if you have anything with Google, like Google Google Chromebook, yeah, Chromebook, you can connect this to there, and you can say, "Hey Alexa, hey Google, can you open WhatsApp for me, and then it'll be like, okay, let me go ask my computer, and the computer opens it up. Well, Alexa here is like a unique one. It can tell you the weather, it can tell you some podcasts, it can tell you the breaking news. The display here, I really like that instead of this four dots, I guess. And um, I have to say this is more efficient shaving, while this over here is not that. Well, I guess there's new things here because this is like 6 years old. Yeah, 6 years old, and this is 3 months old. So it all comes down to this: who wins third round, and who will regain championship of all time. There's one thing I want to tell. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It really helps me. And plus,
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
and by the way, Alexa over here has less, like, its cable is like less than this. This was pretty long. And this uses cable, the old fashioned one, I don't know what you call this. While um Google this Alexa uses the thing that you can probably never use except Alexa. So I'm kind of embarrassed to say this, but sometimes I use this to charge one of my things because this is like this type of is like kind of extinct. And plus, I forgot to mention this. You can attach headphones here, and then you can listen to your own jam. Like, let's sleep, and then you can say, "Hey, give me some nighttime music," and then this is what you're gonna hear in your ears, like that. So I don't know what to choose. What is it? Let me think about this. I got an idea. Let me ask Google. Well, I think Google is gonna be a little biased. Oh, the Safari. Overall, it says both of them are good. I'm gonna say
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on,
Alexa
slide the
wins.
switch on the back of Google Home.
Alexa wins.
By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
This is a really tough one, but you have to pay money for Alexa, and but I think this is better. For kids, it says that, hey, play mini games, and then you can just go. But again, I agree that you have to pay a lot of money than this. Um, Overall, for best experience, Alexa's winning. For
By
budget,
the way, the mic's off.
okay,
To turn
fine,
it back on, slide the switch on the.
fine. Here you go.
The mic's back on.
Alexa, Google is like for budget friendly, so the best budget friendly, the most experiential, best overall, Alexa, best budget friendly overall, the best thing in the world, Google. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please smash that button down there, and one more thing.